Hello to those of you who are thinking about buying a house, and maybe even you already own a house and you want to refinance. You're looking to talk about repairs on the home. So first, if you're just purchasing a house and you're wondering whether repairs need to be made, or maybe you're even selling a house and you've come across this video. So if it's an FHA loan, the home needs to meet FHA's inspection standards before the loan can close and you can buy the house can be sold to the person using an FHA loan to buy it. So in many instances, sellers do not want the buyer to use an FHA loan because they do not want to make any of their repairs. So that's understandable, and sometimes real estate agents are coaching their sellers as well to not accept FHA loans. However, one of the great programs that's part of the FHA portfolio is the FHA 203K rehab loan, and with that you can forego making the repairs before closing, and the buyer would need to make those repairs post-closing, but it could be financed by the mortgage. So if you have a $200,000 mortgage and you need another $20,000 for repairs, that $20,000 can be added to the loan as the repairs are made by a licensed contractor, and you've got about 6 months to make those repairs that were outlined in the inspection. And it's not just repairs that need to be made. You could use that money to make changes that you just want to make. For example, you want to put different floors down, you want to change the paint colors, you want to do landscaping, you want to change the lighting, you want to maybe put a new kitchen in or a bathroom. You can do all of those different things. Even though they weren't called out during the inspection as being a problem, you can do that. So again, back to the home repairs part. With a conventional loan, you're not required to make those repairs. You're going to have an inspection if you're smart, and the repairs that are needed will be called out. And it's up to you as to whether you want to make the seller either make the repairs or give you a credit. But the loan can still close even if those repairs are not made. Now let's say you already own the home and you want to make repairs and you use a mortgage to do that. So you can, with an FHA loan for example, cash out up to 80% of the equity of the home and use those for repairs or really anything. So let's say you've got 60% equity or 70% equity, and you've got another, say, 10% of equity there. You can cash out that amount, and you can do whatever you want with that money. You can use it for repairs, you can use it for hopefully something smart. Now, if you don't have that equity, again, you can just refinance into a 203K rehab loan, and you can use those money for the repairs, but you'll be inspected to make sure that those repairs are made, and then after they're made, you'll get reimbursed. Okay, so I hope this helped to explain the situation with repairs and mortgage, and if you have any questions, maybe my scenarios did not cover yours, absolutely either ask them in the comments below or give me a call. You can find me at FHAlenders.com. I'm going to link down below to the first pinned comment, and also in the description you can find how you can reach me. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button for me. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.